Hey guys, I'm thinking of making a centerpiece using these cream-colored sunflowers, some brown hydrangeas, and some purple peonies. I found this plank with gaps and cracks already on it. Now this is a larger piece, so I want to start off with this first and then build around it. I'm just going to glue that into that foam. That's our first piece. Next, I'm going to add some greenery. I found
people on the shelves.
So when I'm creating a centerpiece, I like to choose large items like this air plant. You can see the size of it, it is large, but I also want the size of the arrangement to reflect this because I don't want this to be the predominant piece and I don't want a small little arrangement where my greenery is just going from here to here. So I'm going to elongate the design by using some of this fern and greenery. So I filled in all around, and I know y'all are seeing all of the gaps and cracks, but I am going to cover that with foam. I mean, not foam, moss, which would be towards the end of the project. And now I'm going to add some of this. I don't even know what this is called, but it's brown and orange to break up some of the green and bring in those fall colors. So I'm placing these stems in between all my greenery stems that I first put in with the fern. So next I want to use some of these sunflowers. So going along with the process of elongating the design, shove that in there. And the stem cutter. Okay, I want to tie this, I'm going to glue this sunflower right in here, right next to this air plant to bring in some more height.
All right, I'll leave you to it.
You can say if you want.
You're doing a good job by yourself.
Because I'm not reading comments, so.
They're saying how lovely.
I always need a comment person.
It's just totally beautiful already.
Next, I'm going to use this purple.
That's a Hobby Lobby push.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Trying to play with the flowers here to see which way I want. Now I've added all of my purple stems. Okay, now I need
Skewers. You need skewers or stems?
skewers or a stem.
We always have problems. Be careful. I still can't. It's not gonna be sticky. I don't that close. 3 years left.
Mel.
Oh, that ribbon is
Guess
gorgeous.
what? There's a truckload of something heading this way.
Oh, I know what it
Potentially
is.
coming today.
Oh, wait.
Heading-
What do you think it was? 60919 and that.
Wait.
Mel's gonna teach me all thy ways. That was just a board with some thread on it. That's a masterpiece.
I
Everybody.
didn't tell you what I did. I added the 2 pumpkins, and then I went through and added loops of this gold and white leopard ribbon. And some tails. And now I'm going to fill it in with these brown hydrangeas, which I've never seen brown hydrangeas. I did not cut that short. So now I'm just going to cover up all of my foam, as you can see, with some moss. Okay. So now I've covered up all of my foam with my moss.
So
That's
pretty. Are you done?
So I'm gonna do
Yep.
I'm gonna stick
So,
this up.
so, so pretty.
All right.